Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Come and make this beautiful 5-bedroom, 5.5-bathroom home yours. It is located at Point View Close in Stony Hill, St. Andrew, and it sits on 0.26 acres of land. It comes with living and dining room, large balcony, parking garage, laundry room and office. It features a spacious closet, large bedrooms, a spa-like renovated bathroom, along with a basement area. It has a elegant kitchen with tastefully modern cabinetry. Located close to Manor Park shopping, schools, medical and recreational facilities. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 98 million or US $636.7 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.